Welcome to our van life with our three good dogs, episode 90. We made our way up in the beautiful Oregon coast to check out the area and enjoy good food and company. Stay tuned, and we thank you all for joining us in this adventure.
We are here at Camp Klamath in Klamath, California.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, or if you're new to our channel, welcome. We are here at Klamath up in Northern California to celebrate the long Thanksgiving weekend. With us are our three chihuahuas. I'm so used to saying four chihuahuas because we had four chihuahuas at the time. And we just made it here. It's about 6:30 in the evening. It's about 46 degrees outside and it's pretty cold, a little chilly, but we have the heater on in our van for the comfort of our little dogs. For Thanksgiving dinner, we are having prime rib, which we started eating this last night actually. So we had an early Thanksgiving dinner, and then Sean also made green bean casserole and mashed potatoes. And we bought gravy. We didn't make the gravy. And then we have Chewbacca, BobaFett, and little Bail Organa. She is now 6 months old, about to turn 7 months in a week or so. So we're getting her ready to get spayed, although we did encounter some hopefully minor health problems in regards to her liver, so she's gonna get more blood work done before we move on to get her spayed. And of course with us are the original chihuahuas, who were Yoda and Jabba, recently passed, and still miss them so very much. It's still a struggle to be able to wake up or travel without them. They were such huge parts of our lives since we've had them since they were 2 and 3 months old. But these dogs are keeping us busy. We're gonna go enjoy our dinner and celebrate what's left of Thanksgiving Day, and I hope that you will stick around because we do have lots more adventure for the next few days.
This is Camp Klamath with a K. A cool little maroon layer coming in, tons of space. And they were even up on Thanksgiving to check us in. Super easy. Nice big spots, grass, very wet. This is the back of the main office. They have a big area for things like gatherings, bathrooms, have big field, looks like extra camper space over here, and van space, so probably could have stayed here as well. And now it's back to the RV side. A lot of clouds. I think that's the river, Klamath River over there, that's going right into the Pacific Ocean, which is where we are headed next. Morning, everybody. We are embarking from Klamath, California, where the Klamath River dips down into the ocean, all the way up to, well, we'll see how far up we can go today, the Oregon coast. So this is our first time exploring places like Brookings and Gold Beach, and all the way up to probably Florence area, and maybe a little bit around the dunes. So we're staying up there tonight, and we're going to try to shoot to do this Southern Oregon coastline in one day. So follow along and let us know if you have any special places. We're doing a quick stop on the way out to check in on this is the beginning of their coastal loop, so we might do a quick little dip, but check out this little spot guarded by two bears as the Klamath River finishes up into the ocean. So I'm gonna pop over to this viewing point and show you guys what the Klamath River looks like in California. And this is a cool little, almost looks like something out of the medieval times. Check out that bear number 1, bear number 2, and this is bear country. So let's see what it looks like. River on the rampage. Oh, flooding. Wow, this is way bigger than I thought. Let's zoom out. Klamath River. Oh, little birdie. So it looks like some pretty good sized ships can come down here. And we were camping right by this yesterday. All right, bears, keep up the good work. So yeah, it's a really short drive loop, 2 miles. We'll go see if it's worthwhile. This is really close off 101. So this is the loop. You can actually drive right up here on that other, there's a dirt road down there that leads you to the mouth of the Klamath River going into the ocean. And then this trail has an overlook, and it's like 3 miles. And we know the drill now. No dogs, no horses, and no bikes. So we're gonna pop the drone for you guys to see, because right past this cliff is the Pacific Ocean. Pretty wild. So we'll see how it looks from this vantage point from a little bit higher in the air. So we think this is Klamath Cove. This is still California. We haven't hit Oregon yet. But wow. Amazing rock formations. Looks like Big Sur, and they got a big kind of campfire area here as well. Just gorgeous. Harris Beach in Brookings, Oregon. This is a state park. And no camping. So we're here at Harris Beach. We weren't sure if this was going to be a day use state park. It is camping down the road, but this little trail that looks gorgeous does allow dogs. So we're going to take the pups down to the beach. Good girl, Jabba. So don't be playing in them tight pools, baby. Wow, what a view. We're excited to see our first beach along the Oregon coast in Brookings. Here's some confirmation for anybody wondering if Harris Beach is available for overnight camping. The answer is no. And keep your dogs leashed. Come on, Chewbacca. Brookings. Kicking off the Oregon coast from south to north. Pretty amazing. Tide's a little bit out right now. Careful! Ew! She's having so much fun.